Hi, this is CJdropshipping. Get product information, accurate product display, latest trending news, and price comprehension all in one video. Are you looking for your winning products? After watching this video, you will know what to sell and scale up your store. Selfie fuel light lamp. This is a selfie fuel light lamp combined with a selfie stick and a filling light. Gently push the cover, pull out the hidden stick, adjust the stick and the angle and the length you need. There are light sources on both sides of the lid. Several light effects on both cold and warm light, which can perfectly meet all kinds of lighting needs of various things. It has a 10-meter Bluetooth remote control suitable for live stream, self-taking, filling lights, multiple angle shooting. The compact size is easy to store and it can be also used as a desk lamp. Although this product didn't come with our English package, this product is suitable for build your own brand by customize the package. This is an evergreen product that has no seasonality and a country preference. Can be sold all the year and to all the countries. Suitable for a home improvement niche or one product store. Low future dispute rate cause this selfie fuel light lamp is hard to be deformed or damaged during the transportation. Let's check the filling lights on Google Trends. As we can see, the worldwide searching heat is increasing, especially Panama, Brazil, Singapore, Indonesia, and New Zealand. The USA searching heat is also rising, proven heat on Google Trends. If we move on to AliExpress, there ain't many sellers. There is relatively little competition among similar products at present. It costs $45.75 with 1 month of AliExpress standard shipping. Let's check the products on CJ. The product price is $16.67. The best shipping method is CJ package sensitive. Takes about 10 to 15 days to the USA and costs $22.84. The total dropshipping value is $39.51, much lower than Ali. It currently has 128 lists. Such a competitive product, grab the opportunity before the competition gets overwhelmed.